Hello, this is from Regin. I'll now show you how to install the new Regin application tool, which is used for Regio MIDI room controllers, our Corrigos, and our Exigos. Before you had 3 different softwares to configure the different devices, now you only have one. The first thing you need to do is go into Google, open your internet and type download application tool Regin and press enter. There you choose application tool. Then you scroll down at the page, press over there which it says application tool and download. Now you need to wait 3 to 4 minutes before the program has been downloaded. So now the program is fully downloaded and we can start to install it. You find it by click here, open file, open installation, press more options and run. Now it pops up with installation. You cannot see it on my screen, you can see it on your own. But afterwards you will get this screen and you just press install. Now you need to press next, next again, and press install. Yes, so now it's finished with installing the program. It asks if I want to reboot my program. I press no, because you don't need it to make the software function. And now I press finish. Now I have installed the program and I will close down my windows. Then you go to the type field and type application tool and it will find the best match and you press. Now the program is open. A little tip is that you can go down to the bottom of the page as shown here, right click and choose this one. Now you're always sure that the program is fast to find and you can see it all the time at the bottom of the screen. Now you press new and you can choose if it's Exigo you want. Do you want a Regio Edu? Do you want an Regio Ardo? Or do you want the Regio MIDI series with the different room controllers? You can also choose which version of the controller you have. So to start with the different devices configured, you need a E-cable 2 USB as shown here. In the next couple of videos we'll get into how to configure the different devices. Thank you for now.